Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your QCY T5 with your iPhone. Okay, so first of all you have to remember to put them back to the case and also charge at least to the 50%. On the back you can find micro USB port for your cable. Next, you have to open the case just like that and take them out of this case. In the most cases, the pairing mode will be automatically turned on. And you can find it right here. As you can see, that's the indicator. When it's blinking like that, it means that the pairing mode is activated and our earbuds are visible to other phones, PC or wherever you want to pair it. If you don't have the pairing mode enabled, you can enable it manually by clicking and holding both earbuds in this place until this indicator turns like that. Next, you have to go for the settings and open the Bluetooth. Enable Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher and simply take a look on the devices. Select your QCY, and as you can see right now we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.